Hello, here's how you can add a pricing plans widget on your Wix site in just a few simple steps using the Pricing Plans app by MarketPush Apps. Now let's see how to set up the Pricing Plans app. First, you'll need to install the Pricing Plans app from the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Also, this is how to add the app through Wix Studio. Head to the App Market menu and search for the Pricing Plans Templates app. Then click Add to Site. After adding the app, you'll need to drag the app widget to the desired section on your website. To make the widget responsive on your desktop and mobile site, you'll need to stretch it. From the Pricing Plans settings, you can easily switch between the templates. Then you can choose the default selected cycle and choose the cycle that you'll be editing. To modify the content of an element, simply double-click it. For example, you can easily change this image. You can also easily change the texts and their settings. For example, we'll change the size of this text. Lastly, don't forget to save and publish your site to preserve your editing. If you found this video useful, please like or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.